旅行开发实用英文手册第一部分日常生活语句1点
Hello hi
Hello hi 2点
Good morning
早安3点
Good afternoon
午安4点
Good evening
晚安下午3点以后5点
Good night
晚安睡前或晚上再见时用6点
How are you
你好吗7点
Fine thank you And how are you
我很好你呢8点
How do you do
你好吗用于第一次见面回答一红9点
Nice to see you
很高兴与你见面10点
I must be going now
我必须走了11点
Have a nice day
祝你有愉快的一天2点
I hope you had a good time tonight
祝你有个愉快的晚上3点
Goodbye see you
再见4点
Pardon
请再说一遍5点
Sorry I don't understand
对不起我不懂你的意思6点
Please speak slowly
请再说慢一点7点
Do you speak English
你说英文吗8点
Thank you very much
非常谢谢你9点
You are so kind
你真好20点
You are welcome
不用客气1点
Sorry I am sorry
道歉2点
Excuse me
道歉打扰一下3点
That's alright
没关系4点
Never mind
别放在心上5点
I agree
我同意6点
That's right
对7点
It sounds nice
听起来不错8点
That's too bad
太可惜了9点
I hope so
希望如此30点
That's fine
很好1点
Can you do me a favor
能帮我个忙吗2点
Please fill in this immigration form for me
请帮我填入境登记表3点
What should I fill in here
这里要填什么4点
Please fill in the hotel name for me
请帮我填旅馆名称5点
Please help me to fill in the declaration form
请帮我填报税单6点
For house rent Should I go to U.S. immigration for registration
租房子需要到移民局报备吗7点
What's the matter
怎么了发生什么事了8点
What for
为什么9点
Where do you live
你住哪里40点
Can you speak English
你会说英文吗41点
Are you sure
你确定吗42点
May I have your business card or address and telephone number
请给我你的名片或是地址电话好吗43点
Excuse me How can I get to this address
请问到这地址怎么走44点
How much
多少钱45点
How far
有多
How long?
要多久？47点。
Do you have the time?
你知道现在几点吗？48点。
What time is it?
你知道现在几点吗？49点。
Is Mr. White at home?
白色先生在家吗？50点。
May I speak to Mrs. Brown?
我找布朗太太。51点。
Could I visit you tomorrow?
我明天能拜访你吗？52点。
Are you free?
你有空吗？53点。
Please come in.
请进。54点。
Please put on these slippers.
请穿拖鞋。55点。
Make yourself at home.
请不要拘束。56点。
Would you like coffee or tea?
要喝咖啡还是茶？57点。
Some more crackers.
要不要再吃些饼干？58点。
I hope you like Chinese food.
希望你喜欢中国菜。59点。
Why don't you stay for a night?
你何不在这过夜？60点。
Please stay longer.
请再久一点。61点。
I hope that you will come more often.
希望你以后更常来。62点。
You can come visit us anytime.
你可以随时来找我们。63点。
We certainly enjoyed your company.
和您在一起，我们十分愉快。64点。
Come visit us again.
要再来拜访我们。65点。
See you again.
再见。66点。
We just arrived from Taiwan.
我们刚从台湾搬来。67点。
May I use your telephone? Mine is out of order.
能不能借用你的手机？我的故障了。68点。
When you have time, please come over for a chat.
有空请过来聊一聊。69点。
Hello, sir. Is Mrs. Lee at home?
你好，请问你太太在家吗？70点。
I come from Dow Center.
我是盛唐来的。71点。
Could I visit him Flash?
我能拜访他吗？72点。
You are our good friend.
你是我们很好的朋友。73点。
Thank you for your help.
谢谢您的帮忙。
I appreciate your kindness and support.
很感激你的照顾。
Please come to Dow Center when you have time.
有空请常来盛唐。74点。
Can you come here to study the Buddhist religion?
请来学习礼节。75点。
Please come here and study the truth when you have time.
有空请来研究道理。76点。
Today our teacher will talk about the good truth.
今天我们讲师要说很好的道理。77点。
If you have any questions about Tao, please ask me.
有任何问题可以提出。78点。
I greatly appreciate you giving me a chance.
感谢你给我的机会。79点。
This is our first time to be here.
我们初来此地。
Language is not easy for us.
语言不通顺。
Please help us.
请多帮忙。 80点。
Thank you for your kindness.
感谢慈悲。81点。
All thanks to the Lord.
感谢上天。82点。
Could you invite more people to come to our center?
请您多找人来佛堂好吗？83点。
All of your family are doing charitable things.
你们家都在做善事，
Such people and family will be blessed with happiness and health.
上天会保佑这样的人幸福健康。84点。
The Lord will help the people who do charitable things because they have merit.
上天保佑善人，因为他们有功德。
Two words of practical English of Track 1 favorite KK, DJ, and
名词
noun.
善意的行为，恩惠。
See, you did me a great favor.
你帮了我一个大忙。2.
Fill in TH.
片语
Phrase.
填写
Fill in the blanks with suitable words.
在空格里填上适当的字。3.
Immigration KK, DJ, and
名词
noun right parenthesis left square bracket U.
移居
Passed through immigration control at the port.
在港口通过移民管制站4。
Form KK, DJ, and
名词
noun.
表格
See, to apply for a job, you must fill out a form.
申请工作要填表。5.
Declaration KK, DJ, and
名词
noun right parenthesis left square bracket Q right square bracket left square bracket U.
纳税品等的申报。
A declaration at the customs house.
报关6.
Customs KK, DJ, and
名词
noun.
关税 K. 常大写海关。报关手续
I paid $20 in customs on the $100 Swiss watch.
我为$100的瑞士表付了$20的关税。
As soon as I got through customs, I jumped into a taxi.
而我一通过海关就跳进了一辆计程车。7.
Rent KK, DJ, and
名词
noun.
租金租费。
See right square bracket left square bracket U.
出租的财产至房、地产等。
I got to pay my rent this morning.
今天上午我必须付房租。
BT.
及物动词
Transitive verb.
租用、租入、
From.
租出。
To slash out, they rented a cabin for their vacation.
他们为度假租了一间小屋。
I had rented the house out to a very nice family.
我把房子出租给了一户很好的人家。
By.
不及物动词
Intransitive verb.
出租。
That slash for this house rents for $800 a month.
这间屋子月租$800。
This farm rents for $1,500 a year.
这农场以每年$1500出租。 8
registration KK DJ N
名词
noun
登记注册驾考
user registration of students for the course will begin on Thursday morning.
学生登记上这门课将于星期四上午开始。9
Shipper KK DJ N
名词
noun
有指室内穿的前后便鞋、拖鞋，有软的船鞋。
The one slippers are usually worn indoors.
拖鞋通常是在室内穿的。10
Flapper KK DJ N
名词
noun right parenthesis left square bracket C.
带过咸的薄脆饼干，没饼干。
I am not really hungry. I'll just have some crackers.
我真的不饿，我就吃几块饼干吧。11
Certainly KK DJ add
副词
adverb
无疑以必定确实用于回答当然可以没问题
They will certainly succeed.
他们一定会成功。
May I use your motorcycle? Certainly.
我可以借用你的摩托车吗？请。12
Company KK DJ N
名词
noun
公司商号
C right square bracket left square bracket G.
陪伴友情 U 伴侣们同伴们朋友们
C right square bracket left square bracket G.
客人们
Tom works for a computer company.
汤姆在一家电脑公司上班。
People are judged by the company they keep.
根据某人结交的朋友便能判断其人了。
Do you expect company for the weekend?
这周末你家有客人吗？13
Out of order PH.
片语
Freeze.
发生故障，违反议事规则，顺序问短。
Our air conditioner is out of order.
我们的冷气机出故障了，
The elevator is out of order.
电梯出故障了。14
Elevator KK DJ N
名词
noun right parenthesis left square bracket C.
美电梯、升降机。
Many department stores have both elevators and escalators.
许多百货公司既有电梯又有自动扶梯。15
Escalator KK DJ N
名词
noun right parenthesis left square bracket C.
自动楼梯、电扶梯。
The new store has escalators to carry customers from one floor to another.
这家新商店有自动扶梯，将顾客从一层楼面运送到另一层楼面。16
Chat KK DJ by
不及物动词
intransitive verb
闲谈聊天。
about /away /on they chatted about the film saw last night.
他们闲聊着昨夜上的电影。
BT
及物动词
transitive verb
因口语谈谈 与点点点搭讪，与点点点调情。
attend
名词
noun
闲谈聊天。
She writes square bracket left square bracket you write square bracket left square bracket left parenthesis plus about slash with the often asked Philip to come in for a chat.
他经常邀菲利普进来闲谈。17
appreciate KK VJ VT
及物动词
transitive verb
欣赏赏识，感谢感激，体会领会察知。
WRite square bracket left square bracket plus left parenthesis that her talent for music was not appreciated.
他的音乐才能无人赏识。
They deeply appreciated his kindness.
他们对他的好意深表感谢。
I am afraid you had not appreciated the urgency of the matter.
恐怕你还没有意识到这件事的紧迫性。18
Buddhist KK VJ N
名词
noun
佛教徒点形容词
adjective
佛教的佛的佛教徒的19
invite KK VJ VT
及物动词
transitive verb
邀請招待。
to write parenthesis right square bracket left square bracket O to he invited several of his friends to the show.
他邀请了几个朋友去看表演。20
charitable KK VJ A
形容词
adjective
慈悲为怀的仁慈的慈善的施舍慷慨的宽容的宽厚的
towards charitable funds.
慈善基金。
A more charitable person would forgive the boy's errors.
宽容点儿的人就会原谅那男孩的过错。21
merit KK VJ N
名词
noun
价值 U 长处优点 C 功绩功劳 C 功过是非曲直。
he her singing is totally without merit.
他的演唱一无是处。
People may not like her, but she has her merits.
人们也许不喜欢他，但他也有他的优点。
He will judge the case solely on its merits.